my beauties, what to do? It's your girl Kai, and I am back with another video. Today's video will be a Boxycharm unboxing. As you can see, you probably looking like, what the hell is going on with my face and my hair, but it's okay because I did, for the first time ever, I did a Coachella fun festival type of look. I had to look it up on Pinterest to see what the hell is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. Don't forget to share this video. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you never miss a video of mine. So every time your girl posts, you always get an email notifying you, hey, your girl just posted, okay? This is Boxycharm. If you do not know what Boxycharm is, you subscribe to this, you get every month 6 items in your Boxycharm for the price of $22. I want to say it's about $22 a month, including tax. But if you subscribe to it, every month it comes out of your card. You can cancel at any time, but I have been subscribed to them, I want to say, for almost about a year now. I want to say a year or two, and it never does me wrong. I think it's great for people who do not shop for makeup or do not know what's in and things like that. It always gives you new products for you to try out, and I love it because I never have the time to go, well, not never, well, I rarely go makeup shopping, but I only go makeup shopping for the things that I use on a daily. But I love it because they always keep me updated with what's latest and what's new and what's popping. Okay, so I will leave my link down below so you can get the reference code. Click the link down below that's in my description box, and it takes you right directly to it so you can be able to subscribe and get your box. Every month they have a new theme. Every month is something new, and that's what I love about it. And when you get it, it comes just like this, and when you open it, it says Boxycharm, hello charmers, and it always have a card in it. I'm going to try, and I want to be able to keep you updated in what's every month, what's in the box. I know I missed February. Yeah, I think I missed January and February. I did one of those 1 month, but I'm so sorry. I said March box. This is April box. Sorry, y'all. I did get March box. I missed out on February and March box on my IG. If you are following, make sure you are following me to my IG page, Eyelash Addiction. You always will see me do tutorials of my look. This tutorial will be uploaded as well, so make sure that you guys see this. If you want to see how I did the look, it'll be on my Instagram. But I come to you guys so you guys can see what's in the box. This is the April box. I'm sorry, I did say March. I apologize. This is the April box. I did get my March box and I did get my February box, but I didn't do the unboxing for that. If you would like me to unbox those to see, so you can see what did I get in it, let me know, because my boxes are still sitting here. I have not yet to open them or do any looks on them. But yeah, for this April month box is peace, love, and boxy. The whole vibe for it was the whole Coachella. I've never been to Coachella before. Hopefully one day I will be able to go, but the whole Coachella thing is like festival, having fun, party like. So this is the look that I did. And if you see, everything that you get in your Boxycharm will go over the price of $100. The first thing that they give you is like a card, and the card, it also describes of everything that's in your box. So I hope you guys can see. This is the whole cue card, and it reads everything that's in my box. 9 times out of 10 we all get pretty much the same thing, but there's varies to different people. I might get something different that you didn't get, but the main products they always give to everybody else, and all the little things, you know, everybody might get something different, or you might get something that in the box that I didn't get. So yeah, so the first thing that I'm going to show you that's in my box that I did get is the Festival palette from Pure. So this is how it looks, and when you open it, it does have a mirror on it, and these are the colors that's in it. As you can see, I did use it because those are the colors that I use on my eyelids. I did use the purple, this brown like, and this pink like, and this pressed glitter. All of these colors, all these glitters that's in there, they're like pressed glitters. So you don't need like anything to like pack it on. These colors are very pigmented, as you can see. I just want to let you guys know. And the price that it retails in the store or online is $36. So as you can see, I already exceeded my $21, which by paying the box. So this is $36. Now the next thing that I have is the Luxie Super, the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. These are the brushes that came with it. And this retails about $28 just for this 3-piece brush set. And as you can see, they kept it with the whole color Coachella vibe. As you can see, it kind of matches my palette. So yeah. And the next thing that's on here is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Now what's so crazy about this, it looks gold. This is how it looks. It looks gold, but once I had put it on my face, it turned out purple. And I'm like, oh, that's so cool, because I never had a highlighter that's purple. I always thought that purple on me would not be good as a highlighter. I always keep 2 gold tones and rose gold kind of highlighters, but it did come out up here on me very nice. I did like it. As you can see, it's on the tip of my nose and on my cheekbones and on my chin, but I did love it. But yeah, and it's so crazy, I used purple on my eyelids not knowing that when I got to doing my highlighter, the highlighter is called Purple Dream. So I thought that was cool. It's gold, but when you put it on, it turns purple. I love that. And that retails for about $27. Okay, so the next thing that I got was the Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss. I hope you guys could see that. Yeah, and this retails for about $21. I did not use this lip gloss on this look. I felt like it would not go with what I had going on, but I can open it for you guys so you can see. I'm gonna swipe it on my hand. Oh, it probably, oh yeah, it would have went. It's purple. Oh wow, because it gave me clear when you looking at it, but sorry y'all, my alarm. It gave me purple, but and it showed out here purple, so that's dope. I like it. And this retails for about, like I said, $21. Me, I would not pay $21 for this. No way, Jose, for this lip gloss, no. But that's the good thing about signing up to Boxycharm. You get to try out different new things. And then that's the good thing that I do like about Boxycharm, is when you try out the stuff that's in the box, if you like it, you can continue buying it and you know where to get it from and what company is this. So that's a good thing. And last but not least, the Bodyography Eye Pencil. I did use this on my lip line. It is an eye pencil, but I used it on my lip line, and it's gold. Oh, sorry. And it blended in right into my skin, so that's good. But that's what all that came in my Boxycharm for the month of April. If you would like to see more about all the Boxycharms that I get every month, please leave a comment down below so I can do more of these. You will always see Instagram tutorials of me doing my look on Instagram. You can go ahead and check that out. But if you would like to, you know, try one of these boxes, I will leave my link down below so you can use my reference code so you can get your box for the month of May. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you like my little Coachella look that I got going on, make sure that you are following me on my Instagram so you can see the tutorial. Have a good one. Bye.